How to add personal voice in iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can basically add a personal voice on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to add a personal voice on your iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and then open the settings application here. Once you open the settings app, you're gonna see this type of interface where what you need to do is you need to go to this option called accessibility, scroll down to the speech section and look for personal voice and then tap on it. Now you can just tap and create a personal voice here, and now you can see record yourself, maybe read 150 phrases aloud and generate your personal voice. iPhone will create your personal voice, communicate with live speech or whatever else you have. By tapping the continue option here, you can just select continue button, and now you can just select create a voice, tap on the continue button, and here you can just type in whatever it is saying you. I'm creating a personal voice with my iPhone. Whatever else it tells you to do, you should be able to do them and your personal voice will get successfully created. This way you can add personal voice in iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.